I don't know how it's possible. My life is where up and down. I got my friend, I got my money now, but I don't know what to do with my life. Oh, oh, I pray to God, can help me at least with support. Oh, like give me hope, give me faith, oh, give me strength. Oh, oh, oh. I don't know what to do at this point. Everything seems so down. Everything seems a little too hard for me today. Oh, I wish I got to church to see God again. Oh, it's pretty hard to move around with worry about everything, about the deal, about the food. It's just hard to empty my head. I found all this problem. It's just hard to get everywhere. Mm, I don't know. Feel like I just I feel like I just in another case. Oh, I don't know. I feel like I can just not fly. Oh, and every time I try to fly, my wings hurt. It's too much wind. Never the day. Never the day for me to fly. We got there. Too much problem going on. Oh, oh, oh. I want you to be free. I don't know how to do it. Oh,